Let's dance with animals one by one. Move your body, have some fun. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's see how the animals spin and grin. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Elephant walks on big strong feet. Swing your arms from side to side. March with joy, feel the pride. Swing your arms and clap, clap, clap. Jump in place and give a tap. Scratch your head and smile so wide. Monkey fun, you just can't hide. Dance, 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 dance around. Animal moves are all around. Dance, dance, me and you. Let's dance like animals do. Waddle left and waddle right. Penguins march from day to night. Flap your arms and give a cheer. Penguin fun is always near.
Hands on hips, now bend your knees.
Bounce up high like jumping beans.
Boing, boing, bounce up too.
That's what kangaroos do. Dance, dance, dance around. Animal moves are all around. Dance, dance, me and you. Let's dance like animals do. Flap your arms and turn in place. Parrots fly with so much grace. Strike a pose and give a squawk. Then march again and take a walk. Ooh. Wiggle side to side real slow. Like a snake, go with the flow. Make an S shape with your hand. Slither, wiggle, it's so grand. Dance, dance, dance around. Dance, dance. Animal moves are all around. Big or small, short or tall. Let's dance like animals, one and all. Dance, dance, dance around. Dance, dance. Animal moves are all around. Dance, dance, me and you. Let's dance like animals, one and all.